Hello everyone, this is Munish. You are watching Crime Tech English. I welcome all of you to Crime Tech family. I hope everyone is doing well and fine. Now the story about Sachin Vaze, I know that most of you guys might be interested that what is happening with this story, and that is why I spoke to several officials, my sources within Mumbai Police, within Maharashtra ATS and National Investigative Agency, just to know that what exactly is happening. What was the involvement of Sachin Vaze in parking the explosive laden vehicle outside Mukesh Ambani's residence, and whether he killed the original owner of the Scorpio, and why would he kill him? All these questions are in everyone's mind, and today I will try to break down, not only for me, not only for you, but also for several other people who are trying to seek answers of these questions. Some of them I have got. Now, Sachin Vaze, as you all know, he thought that he's a super cop of Mumbai Police. And when I'm saying that he thought, then believe me, my friends, I have met him several times in recent months. And what I got to know through him, through his body language, and through many other officers in Mumbai and Maharashtra Police, that he thought that he is above everyone. And many officers tell me that it might have been the overconfidence of Sachin Vaze that he committed this crime. Otherwise, no person, no officer will commit such crime. So it was the overconfidence of Sachin Vaze, supposedly, due to which he committed this crime. Now there are two parts of the entire story. One is a car which was parked outside Mukesh Ambani's residence with explosives in it. Second is the death of, and what now is being alleged, the murder of the owner of the Scorpio car which was parked outside Mukesh Ambani's residence. And it is suspected that in both these cases, there is one person who led the role, who conspired with other people, and who parked the car and killed the owner of Scorpio. It was Sachin Vaze. That is what we are hearing. These are the allegations. So I spoke to one of the officer and I asked him very clearly that, you are a prosecuting agency in this case. You will always claim that you have enough evidence. What actual evidence you have to connect dots with Sachin Vaze? Is there any concrete evidence? So first of all, he told me that, in connection with the first case, parking the Scorpio car on February 25th outside residence of Mukesh Ambani, they have solid evidence. And when I asked him about the solid evidence, what he told me that, first of all, they seized 5 cars and one car was very important to them. That was the Mercedes car. And apart from that, they also got the CCTV footage in which it is suspected that Sachin Vaze, after parking the Scorpio car, was walking in a PPE kit. Now they assume that it is a PPE kit, and my friends, if you allow me few seconds, I would like to play that video for better understanding. So this is the video, and I think you all can see, this is a video, and you can see a man walking in a PPE kit. And this video footage, according to the investigative agencies, is after the Scorpio car was parked, and the person who is walking in this video footage is Mr. Sachin Vaze. I think now it is clear. You can see the red circle, the person walking. Now that person is Sachin Vaze. Now what NIA is doing, that they are making Sachin Vaze wear a PPE kit and walk so that they can understand the walking pattern. So this is the first evidence which they have against Sachin Vaze. The second evidence is, a black Mercedes car was seized by the National Investigative Agency. Now in that black Mercedes car, which was being driven and used by Sachin Vaze, they found cash 5,75,000. They found some number plates and diesel and petrol. So again I asked my source that, sir, You have got number plates, you have got diesel and petrol, but how is it connecting to Sachin Vaze? Now, what he told me, my source told me, that this car was being used by Sachin Vaze. That is confirmed. So, if any recovery is being made by any investigative agency from this car, then it is assumed that it was being used by Sachin Vaze. And when they opened this car, when they searched this car, this black Mercedes car, what they found that this Mercedes car had few number plates. It had cash and diesel and petrol. So about the number plate. So the number plate, the number plate recovered from this car also had one number plate which was the original, and this is the footage. If you can see, this is a black Mercedes car. Just for better understanding, I'm showing you, this is a black Mercedes car. You can see the NIA officials here. There's a reflection, so I don't know whether it is clear to you guys or not, but you can see here, once again I would like to play that video, and this is the black Mercedes car being searched by the NIA officials, and from this car they recovered some number plates, and one number plate was the original number plate of Scorpio. So the original number plate was removed and a fake number plate was planted to disguise the investigative agencies. And remember, my friends, Mr. Sachin Vaze was the investigative officer of that case also. So technically it came into his lap, and that is why Paramveer Singh was removed. Now about diesel and petrol, what they suspect, the NIA suspect that the diesel and petrol was used to burn the PPE kits and clothes which were used by this person, which you just saw in CCTV footage, and to destroy the evidence. So as of now, these are the evidence to connect him in the first case. Now what about the second case? Death of Mr. Hiren, who is the who was, in fact, because he's unfortunately no more, the original owner of the Scorpio car. So as of now, what they are saying that they have got some leads. As far as concrete evidence is concerned, they still don't have any concrete evidence to charge him. But they are saying that they have enough lead to take over this case, and that is why they have requested from the Thane court to take over that case also, whether court will permit or not, because under section 8 of NIA, they can take over any case which is connected to the crime which they are investigating. And here the death of Scorpio owner, the car which was used to plant explosives outside residence of Mukesh Ambani. Now that car is connected to the person who is no more. So what sources are telling me, and remember my friends, these are based on sources. I cannot confirm whether these theories or whether these information or this information, particular information which I'm telling you, is true or not. So what they told me that Sachin Vaze might have committed this murder with the help of some other Mumbai police officials. So their theory at this point of time, and again I am saying these are allegations, there is no confirmation or on record confirmation from any investigative agency. So what they are claiming that Sachin Vaze hatched a plan, and 3 or 4 people, or might less, few people less or few people more, they might have come together, they might have conspired, and on the instructions of Sachin Vaze, Mr. Hiren might have been killed, and then his body was thrown in at Thane Creek, where his body was fished out on March 5. So this is suspicion at this point of time. They have got some lead, NIA has got some lead, ATS has got some lead. They have also recorded statements of some people, but it will be very early for me to give you confirmation that Sachin Vaze is actually guilty of it or not. It is up to the court to decide, and it is up to the investigative agencies to go by the evidence and then frame the particular person. In this case, this is Sachin Vaze. So both these cases are connected, and these are the evidence at this point of time with the NIA and with the anti-terrorism squad. Now as far as the political links are concerned, it is yet being investigated. But whenever there is a politics which comes into play into any crime, then the investigation derails. What I have seen, that investigation derails. The investigative agencies are not independent, unfortunately, to probe, to do a fair probe if there is a political influence. And in this case, what I am saying, that now, because in Maharashtra there is a Shiv Sena, NCP and Congress government, the BJP, especially Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, the former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, he is giving several statements. So I just hope that there is no political influence and truth should come out as soon as possible. Whether Mr. Waze is guilty or not, that is still, it is very early to say. But as far as the evidence are concerned, some damning evidence have been recovered and seized by the National Investigative Agency. And, I am following this case very closely. Not only because I know these officials, the investigators also, and the person who has been charged, Mr. Sachin Waze, or the person who has been transferred, Mr. Paramveer Singh, but also because it is a very interesting crime, and till date, till this moment, no one knows what was the motive of Sachin Waze, if at all he parked the car outside residence of Mukesh Ambani, or whether, if at all, he was involved in murder of Mr. Hiren, the original owner of Scorpio car. With new inputs, with new developments, and I'll keep speaking to my sources, whatever updates I have, I will share with you. Till then, goodbye, and thank you again for watching this episode and subscribing to Crime Tak English. Thank you.